Well, as promised, coming back with part two of the Harbor Freight Inside Track Club deals for May. Let's just get started here. See if I can get my face out of the way there. First, we got that Bauer 14 amp, 7 1/4 inch circular saw. It's normally $44.99. It's down to $37.99. And I guess I should have prefaced with, I'm going to show Bauer and Hercules deals in this particular video episode. If you're new to the channel, my name's Daryl. Welcome in. The next item is a Hercules 4.5 inch paddle switch angle grinder. They've got it down to $49.99 with your ITC membership, regular $64.99. And what did I hit? Down from $64.99, $49.99. Next we have the Bauer 1/2 inch by 50 foot manual feed drain clean drum machine. Normally $2.99, save a cool $100. Now it's $199.99 for the month of May with your ITC membership. These metal cutoff wheels are always a hit. There's a 10 pack for $4.96. That's saving 44%. That is a huge deal. 49 cents a piece. Can't hardly beat that, can you? Next, let's look at the Bauer 10 inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. It's normally $259.99, and we're going to save $40 this month to $219.99 with your Inside Track Club membership. Then we have the Bauer 11 amp 1 9/16 SDS max type variable speed rotary hammer. Very nice unit. Save $30, $119.99, down from $149.99. Let's look at the Hercules 13 amp corded 4.5 to 6 inch, so you can use either size wheel with those shrouds. It's a trigger grip angle grinder, normally $99.99, save 20%, down to $79.99. Then there's the Bauer 20 volt cordless 3.5 gallon wet dry vacuum. This is a tool only, so you will need some 20 volt batteries. If you have them, great. If not, I believe there'll be a sale here in a couple of days on this 10 days of deals. Just wait it out. $44.99 down from $59.99. Here's another nice corded Bauer 15 amp 7 inch trigger grip angle grinder with 180 degree rotating body. So very heavy duty, 15 amp, a lot of power. Normally $99.99, save 30%, down to $69.99. We got the Hercules 1 3/8 carbide tooth reduced neck plunge blade for your oscillating multi-tools. Save 20%, down to $11.99 from $14.99. There's a very nice Bauer 400-pound mobile folding miter saw stand. This normally sells for $119.99. Your member deal price is $99.99. Here's a Bauer 5.5 amp 15 inch electric string trimmer. This would be corded. It's down to $35.99 from $44.99. Excuse me. Next we have a Hercules general purpose bimetal hole saw. This is a 13-piece set with a nice case there. It's normally $57.99. Save 25% with your ITC membership, down to $42.99. As I tell a lot of people, these one item savings can pay for just about a year's membership on some of these larger items. So it's really worth the deal if you do any shopping at Harbor Freight. Next we have the Bauer 20 volt cordless shear shrubber tool. This is the miniature version, but it's very handy. We actually have one in another brand. I do not have the Bauer brand. I have to assume it's very similar. It's a 20 volt, requires the battery because this is a tool only. Normally $39.99, down to $28.99. As I said, you will probably see some battery deals before the end of the 10-day sale. Next we have the Hercules 12 amp variable speed. This is a plug-in reciprocating saw. Normally $99.99, down to $79.99. And as you can see, this thing is nearly 5 stars. So everybody buys it, loves it. as they do this 16-inch tool bag with 6 pockets. Normally $16.99, save 41% down to $9.98. Here's a Hercules 14-inch all-cut combo diamond blade. Normal price on this thing is $129.99. This is a serious blade. Save 30 bucks, $99.99. Bauer's 2400 CFM 1/3 horsepower floor blower, down from $199.99 to $169.99. So save 30 bucks. Here's the Hercules 4.5 by 7/8 36 grit Type 29 flap disc. It's got plastic backing and ceramic grain. Pick these up for $5.98 a piece, saving 50%. 1/2-inch variable speed D-handle drill, corded, $44.99, down from $59.99. Here's that nice heavy-duty job site backpack. It's one of the newer items, at least newer to me. Down from $59.99 to $49.99. It's a nice looking backpack. Here's another plastic backing Hercules grit type flap disc for $5.98. That's a 120 grit, and this one's an 80 grit. But anyway, they're $5.98 a piece. Here's the 120 grit hook and loop corner. They're down to $3.94, saving 50%. So all these discs are 50% off. Here's the Hercules 3.5 amp variable speed oscillating multi-tool plug-in. $74.99 normally. It's down to $49.99. And here's the 60 grit flap wheel, now that I know what I'm looking at. Down to $5.98. They're also 50% off. So that's our Hercules and Bauer deals for the ITC membership. Remember to check out your deals of the day. Tomorrow they're also going to have 2 deals of the day. The first one's going to be the Quinn 1/2-inch drive SAE or metric master impact socket sets, 80 bucks off. They're normally $179.99. They're going to be $99.99 tomorrow only. That's 5/6. And also tomorrow you can get that Icon 3/8 drive 5 to 75 pound professional flex head click torque wrench. Normally $139.99. Tomorrow only to be down to $99.99. I hope you've found some interest in some of these items and you're able to partake of some of these sales on some quality items you might be needing for your shop. So until the next video, please like and subscribe, and y'all take care.